Hello, everyone. It is undeniable that we are experiencing times of great turbulence in recent years, isn't it? According to Dolores Cannon, a renowned researcher and author, we are not only facing turbulence currently, but even more is yet to come. From her perspective, we, the humans who inhabit the Earth at this moment, are responsible for co-creating the future of humanity. Instead of fearing these imminent challenges, we should embrace them as opportunities to grow and evolve both individually and as a society. In this context, knowledge and wisdom become our fundamental allies to face such challenges with courage and resilience. Cannon alerts us that we are at a crucial moment in history, characterized by the shifting energies that permeate our planet. Our mission, therefore, is to contribute positively to this change. We have within us the ability to deal with any situation that arises, provided we approach it with love, compassion, and empathy. We are powerful beings, capable of transcending self-imposed limitations and creating a new reality. However, an intriguing question arises. Is humanity fully aware of its importance in this crucial moment? Often, we observe that we are more concerned with displaying our material possessions or complaining about what we lack. What is your sincere opinion on this matter? Please leave your comment below. I would be very happy to read it and exchange ideas. The role of each individual in this grand cosmic drama is truly unique and irreplaceable. We cannot simply delegate our responsibilities to the next person. When we decide to incarnate in this world, we receive a specific mission that is granted to us and to no one else. Whether we like it or not, it is our responsibility to execute it. All of us possess unique gifts and talents, ready to be shared with the collective to make a difference. The time has come for us to awaken our inner potential and reconnect with our true essence. Only by doing so can we empower ourselves to positively contribute to the creation of a better world. However, this journey requires courage, determination, and conscious action. Although we know that we will encounter challenges along the way, we must also recognize that there is an abundance of hope and endless possibilities ahead of us. Each step we take toward the future is a step toward a new reality filled with love, peace, and harmony. Let us begin this process by recognizing and honoring the brave souls who volunteered to incarnate on Earth during these turbulent times. In the vast panorama of existence, we are not mere spectators, but active participants in an ongoing cosmic transformation. Each of us made the choice to leave behind the security of our spiritual home to be here now and witness the monumental changes occurring in consciousness and energy. This shift is not limited merely to what we observe externally in the events and situations unfolding in society and the planet, but it also manifests internally in our own consciousness and energy. We are experiencing an expansion of collective awareness and an increase in the planet's vibration. But why did we volunteer to be here during these tumultuous times? The answer lies in the deepest purpose of our souls. We came to Earth with a specific mission: to assist in the spiritual awakening of humanity and to contribute to the transformation of the world into a place based on love, compassion, and unity. Although this may seem like a monumental challenge, it is the journey we chose to embrace. The most wonderful thing about all of this is that not only do spiritual masters, but spirituality itself stands up and applauds us. Accepting a mission on one of the most challenging planets in the universe, where energy is dense and often terrifying in itself, is an act of courage that many preferred not to face. It is truly overwhelming, but our souls were fully aware that we possessed the tools and gifts necessary to fulfill this mission. In our spiritual home, we understood that we would have the ability to grow and expand uniquely at this crucial moment. The meaning of these changes lies in the opportunity they provide us to evolve as human beings and as a species. As we consciously participate in this transformation process, we are raising our individual and collective vibration. We are moving toward a state of higher consciousness deeper connections, and unconditional love. If this content resonated with you, leave a wonderful and enlightened like, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications to follow everything we have prepared for you. The fabric of our reality is undergoing significant transformations, both in our external circumstances and in our internal vibrations and frequencies. These changes are intrinsically linked to the acceleration of energies and the increase in vibrations that permeate our dimension. These tangible forces are remodeling our reality, raising questions about why they are occurring and what their purpose is. The primary reason is that we are immersed in a great cosmic transition, a profound transformation that transcends our human understanding. This transformation encompasses a variety of aspects, from the Earth's response to natural forces to human actions and the introduction of new energies and beings that are beyond our comprehension. Like a boat navigating turbulent waters, we are now entering a phase of tremendous turbulence in our collective journey. The question arises of whether we are prepared for what is to come and if we possess the internal strength and foundations necessary to quickly confront the imminent storms. While it is easy to theorize about changes and transformations when they remain as distant concepts, the challenge becomes very real when these changes begin to manifest in our physical reality. The message is clear. It is not enough to simply understand and prepare. We must also manifest our wisdom in times of chaotic transformation. For me, personally, the greatest challenge lies in dealing with the ignorance of those who have yet to awaken. I recognize that fraternal love should always be prioritized, and compassion toward our sleeping brothers is essential. However, I would like to share my biggest difficulty or challenge: how to face this situation with wisdom and understanding, while still maintaining my own inner peace and emotional balance. Following this line of thought, imagine a world where people are disoriented and suffering both due to natural disasters and the consequences of human actions. Furthermore, there is mention of the arrival of new energies unknown to our current state of consciousness. Although it may seem overwhelming, this scenario provides an opportunity for those who have cultivated inner stability and a deep sense of connection with the earth. They can become guides in the midst of chaos. Although it may be disheartening, it is our duty to offer calmness and support to those who feel lost and confused. The question arises whether we can maintain our composure amidst such turmoil, as human nature tends to collapse in the face of chaos. However, these are precisely the moments when our presence and energy are most needed, regardless of whether others listen to us or not. The important thing is to become sources of calmness that radiate stability around us. Imagine yourself as a lighthouse that stands firm in the face of a rough sea and safely guides ships to the shore. Your journey is a reminder that our past experiences, no matter how challenging, can prepare us for the roles we choose to play in these times of change. Now, let's talk about the concept of the two Earths, a topic widely discussed in both spiritual and physical circles. According to teachings, we are moving towards a separation between the old Earth and the new Earth. The old Earth represents the familiar world where most people cling to their belief systems and existing vibrational frequencies. This reality will continue to exist for those who choose to remain in it or are not yet ready to embrace the changes. The old energies and paradigms will persist, but will no longer be dominant in the universe. On the other hand, the new Earth represents a higher vibrational state, a dimension where individuals have aligned their energies with the accelerated frequencies of transformation. It is a world where old limitations and paradigms no longer dominate, but where new possibilities and potentials become accessible. However, this transition is not without challenges. There will be turbulence and chaos both in the old Earth and the new Earth. The upheaval in the old Earth arises from the disintegration of belief systems, social structures, and the awakening of individuals to previously hidden truths, driven not only by external factors such as natural disasters or political turmoil, but also by the resistance of those in power who refuse to acknowledge the ongoing changes. Their efforts to maintain fear-based manipulation are evident in the propagation of fictitious threats, such as diseases and conflicts, which have kept human societies under control for centuries. However, as transformative energies emerge, fear is surfacing, being exposed and confronted. The media and entertainment industries, although long playing a role in perpetuating fear, are losing their grip on the collective consciousness in the information and connection age. People are beginning to think for themselves, questioning fear-based narratives, and awakening to the truth, freeing themselves from the fear that holds them captive. This cleansing process is akin to removing toxins from the body itself. However, those in power resist this transformation, continuing to employ fear-based tactics until humanity reaches a breaking point and makes a crucial decision. Dear brothers and sisters on this journey, as we face the uncertainty of the current reality, it is crucial to remember that we are not alone. We have the support of spiritual guides, higher beings, and cosmic forces. Our presence can be a beacon of calmness for those who are confused. Together, we can shape a world that reflects the highest aspirations of the human spirit and the divine potential that we all carry within. In this video, we explore the turmoil we face in our current world, both externally and internally. We recognize the importance of awakening to hidden truths and facing challenges with courage and compassion. It is essential that each of us becomes a beacon of light in the midst of darkness, guiding others to truth and freedom from fear. Let's unite in this journey of transformation and build together a future based on love and higher consciousness. If this content resonated with you, please share, leave your like, and subscribe to the channel for more inspiring reflections. Together, we can make a difference.